What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking head gaskets and what happened that led to this failure right here. And that all starts now. Alright, so we were in Utah and I was having some overheating issues whenever we were going up inclines. I thought maybe it was something in our cooling system, possibly maybe my degas bottle cap, or maybe my mechanical fan clutch was starting to fail, or maybe my thermostat was going out. So I started looking at those areas first. Replaced them and it still didn't change anything. So I practically got to the point after I changed everything else that I thought that maybe it was the head gasket. So whenever we were going up the inclines, the exhaust gases were getting pushed into the coolant system and making the degas bottle puke out, and that's why I thought it was the degas bottle cap. But so this is what head gasket failure looks like, guys, on mine anyway. So you want to compare like good gasket material, because I don't have a brand new head gasket here, but that's good, decent looking material. And if you see spots on the gasket where there's none, then gases can escape across cylinders that way. And if you start looking, there's a bad spot over there. Other signs of failure could be like this little lip right here can be cracked, and like you can actually just pull it up with your finger. Those happen a lot. You want to check the different layers of the metal of the gasket here, because they can crack on one of the layers in the middle. Obviously check the back side too, so you got some other bad spots right there. So that's what my situation was. It was a degas bottle puking over. But if we were on level surfaces, and like we were towing our 13,000 pound camper behind us, and if we were on flat surfaces, the truck still didn't overheat. It was only whenever we were going up inclines. So that goes to show you that the mechanical fan clutch is doing a hell of a job. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to share with you real quick about this head gasket, and this rebuild's going to be starting real soon. I got the parts ordered today. They're going to overnight them so I can get all of my stuff to the machine shop and we can start knocking this out. Anyways, guys, stay safe on the road, and as always, if we don't see you on the road, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.